أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. So nowadays we are revising level 3. Last week we covered first three chapters of level 3. So anybody who is volunteer to tell us what we learned last week during revision of level 3?
Level 3 जी.
Ji.
First chapter.
What is the first chapter?
First
What is its name?
Bab
Taf'il, yeah. What is the
Bab
representative?
Allama Allimu Talim.
Allama?
दूसरा अल्लाह युवल तौलिया.
That is the
second chapter Bab Mufa'ala. Jahada yujahidu mujahada or jihad.
Yeah.
Or and shaka yushaku mushaka and nada yunadi munada or nida. And third one is if
this nada is which chapter?
Anza yunlu zal.
Nada is which chapter?
Nada
Mufa'ala, yeah. And the nada and shaka, these were the two special or variations of jahada. And what was the third chapter?
Third one, Bab if al anzala yunzilu inzal.
Yeah.
And the special case of this one, irada yuridu.
Arada, not irada. Arada yuridu irada.
Irada yuridu irada.
No. The first word is arada, not irada. Irada is the masdar. Arada. Arada yuridu irada.
Arada yuridu irada. Okay. And third one is
so these are the variations. Now there are, so we learned about 8 variations. Auha.
8 variation, yeah, different.
Yeah.
Auha, yuhi, iha.
Yeah.
And aujada, yujidu, ijad.
Good.
And aga, yugni.
Agana, yugni. Yeah.
Aza, yugin.
Sorry, what? Amana yu'minu.
Amana. Amana yu'minu iman.
Yeah.
And ata yu'ti.
It is not ata, it is ata. Ata yu'ti.
Ata, yeah, khadi zabar, yeah. Ata ita.
Yeah. Then ara yuri.
Ara yuri ira.
Yeah.
And last one atamma yutimmu itmam.
Atamma yutimmu itmam. Good. Thank you, Jazakallah khairan, brother Azhar. So these were the first three chapters we learned up to Bab If'al. So Taf'il, Mufa'ala and If'al. So today, inshallah, we are going to revise the next three chapters. So the next three chapters are Bab Tafa'ul, Tafa'ul and Infi'al. I would request Brother Akhtar to help us revising these three chapters.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum
Salam.
So last time we did first three chapters, Bab Tafa'il, Bab Mufa'ala, and then Bab If'al. So today we are going to start with Bab Tafa'ul. So Tafa'ul, we can recognize it that it always starts with Ta. If you can see that Ta and the third letter, there is a Shadda. So this is, we can recognize it like this. And Masdar is Tawakkala, Yatawakkalu, Tawakkul. If this is Ta'allama, Ta'allum, Tadhakkur, Tafakkur, Taqabbul, Takabbur, and so on. So if you see here, you can recognize here we have all examples here. Tawakkala, they start with Ta, and the third letter is always Shadda. So this we can have in our mind to revise this. So Tawakkala. Tawakkala means he put trust. So I would ask Brother Rida.
What do you want, brother? Do you want?
You have to do complete TPI with Tawakkal, Bab Tafa'ul, Tawakkala, by taking example of Tawakkala.
Sure. Salaam alaikum. Tawakkala, tawakkalu, tawakkalta, tawakkaltum, tawakkaltu, tawakkalna. Yatawakkalu, yatawakkaluna. Tatawakkalu, tatawakkaluna. Atawakkalu, natawakkalu. Tawakkal. لا تتوكل توكلوا لا تتوكلوا متوكل متوكلون متوكلين متوكل متوكلون متوكلين توكل
Tawakkul, mashallah. Tawakkala means?
توكل, he put his trust.
Yeah, he trusted somebody.
Or relied on
Trusted
someone.
someone. Yatawakkalu means?
يتوكل, he puts his trust, his mudara.
Yeah. And what is the meaning of ta'allama?
Ta'allama means he learned.
Ta'allama, he learned. And tadhakkara?
Tazakkara means he noticed, he received advice.
He received advice. And there was another zakkara, if it is zakkara.
Zakara, he mentioned.
He remembered or remembered.
He remembered.
He reminded.
He reminded.
Yeah. And tadhakkara means he received advice. Zakara, he remembered. Yeah. So, thank you, Brother Rida.
Jazakallah khair.
We have Brother Ikram.
Yes.
Yeah, Bab Tafa'ul, special cases.
Okay.
Special case of Bab Tafa'ul is what?
Tawalla, yatawalla.
Yeah, Tawalla, Yatawalla, and Tawallin or Tawalliyun.
Okay.
Can you
So
please do the complete TPI for this?
Yeah. Tawalla, tawallaw, tawallayta, tawallaytum, tawallaytu, tawallayna. Yatawalla, yatawallawna, tatawalla, tatawallawna, atawalla, natawalla. Tawalla, la tatawalla. Tawallaw, la tatawallaw. Mutawallin, mutawallun, mutawallin. Mutawallan, mutawallayun, mutawallayin, or tawallin.
Or Mutawallawna and Mutawallayna.
Mutawallayna. Yes.
And Masdar is?
Tawallin.
Tawallin. How we can, why we are taking it as a special case? Why can we cannot fit it in normal case? Do you have something in your mind that it is bab tafa'ul, but we are saying that this tawakkala is normal case, but tawalla is a special case? What is something that
Because
Yeah.
hello,
yeah, Ikram bhai, you can continue, please.
it doesn't fit the normal case.
Yeah, if we fit it on normal case, what it should be? Tawallaya.
Tawallaya, yes.
But it is not tawallaya, it is tawalla. So there is ya maksura at the end. So we can make it a special case. So it is tawalla, similar word like tawaffa, tadakka, tamanna.
Yeah.
Tawaffa means? Just we are revising these meaning. It is not necessary that we have to memorize everything. Just we say that the similar words like tawalla is tawaffa. He received in full. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or he
Tadakka.
caused it.
Yeah, he caused that.
He purified.
Yeah. He purified himself.
Okay.
And
Brother, he
tamanna?
purified himself or he purified somebody else?
No. That is zakka. Tazkiya. We did it in special case. Walla yuwalli tawliya. Zakka yuzakki tazkiya. And tazakka, he purified himself. Tamanna.
He longed for someone or something.
Yeah, he wished.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right. Thank you, Ikram bhai.
No worries.
So this is Bab Tafa'ul. We are not coming back on this. So we have in mind that this is the 4th chapter, Tafa'ul. And the model word or representative word is tawakkala, yatawakkalu, tawakkul. And we can see all the similar words. We have some examples we choose from Quran and they are there. Ta'allama, tadhakkara, tawakkara. And now we can see that the special case is tawalla, yatawalla, tawallin. All similar word like tawaffa, tawalla, tadhakka, and tamanna. So this is Bab Tafa'ul. Next we have Bab Tafa'ul. I would ask Brother Ash'ar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam, Ash'ar bhai.
Chapter 5.
Yeah.
Okay. Chapter 5 is Tafa'ul.
Yeah.
The regular pattern is Tasa'ala, Tasa'alu, Tasa'ul.
Just tasa'ala, yatasa'alu. First we say for the pattern, the way is Bab Tafa'ul. And Bab Tafa'ul example is tasa'ala, yatasa'alu, tasa'ul. This is called sarf saghir actually. Tasa'ala, yatasa'alu, tasa'ul. So we should say this thing.
Okay. Tasa'ala, Yatasa'alu, Tasa'ul.
This is the.
Okay.
What is the special thing in this chapter, Tafa'ul?
The second last is Hamza.
Can you see other words? Takathara, is there Hamza?
It's
Other
starting-
words are also written there.
No. So the alif, third
Alif.
letter is alif.
Alif, first thing is ta. First
Ta.
letter is ta.
Ta.
If you see here, tasala, tabaraka, takathara, taqabala. And so this is, and second you said that there is alif. Third letter is normally this is alif.
Alif.
Tasala, tabaraka, takathara, taqabal. And there is one another thing in translation. They are for mutual action. Yeah, mutual action. They show generally. Sometime, for example, in tabaraka, last time we discussed that it is something special, and it has some. So tasala means
Tasa'ala means they asked each
no.
other.
He asked
He
each
asked,
other.
sorry, he
This is
asked each
singular.
other. Yeah,
Okay.
he asked each other.
So can you please do the TPA?
Tasa'ala, tasa'alu, tasa'alta, tasa'altum, tasa'altu, tasa'alna, yatasa'alu, yatasa'aluna, tatasa'alu, tatasa'aluna, atasa'alu, natasa'alu, tasa'ul, لا تتساءل تساءلوا لا تتساءلوا متسائل متسائلون متسائلين متساءل متساءلون متسائلين تساؤل.
Tasa'ul. If it is takathara, what will be the masdar?
تكاثر
Taqabala.
تقابل
And tabaraka.
تبارك.
Yeah. What is the meaning of tabaraka?
Tabaraka means blessed. He was blessed.
Yeah, he was blessed. And takathara, he showed competition,
competition
for abundance.
for abundance. Okay.
Taqabala,
Taqabala means
he met one
he
another.
met with someone another. Okay.
And ta'awana,
Ta'awana means he cooperated with one another.
this is Urdu word actually, ta'awana.
Yes.
And what is the masdar?
Ta'awun.
Ta'awun. Ta'awun is a Urdu word. So tanaza'a, this is also in Urdu.
Urdu word. He disputed with one another.
Yeah, he disputed with each other. So this. And what is about the special case?
The special case is tanada, yatanada, tanadin, or tanadiyun.
Why it is different than normal case?
Because of ya at the end.
If the ya at the end, we have another, we already did tafa'ul. Tawalla, yatawalla. There is also ya maksura at the end. Okay, one thing is ya maksura. Any other thing?
But in tawalla, its lam is double.
Yeah, this is, if you see here, just compare with the normal, that it starts with ta, third is alif.
Yes, third is alif.
Yeah, third is alif. And then there is ya maksura. Because of ya maksura, we cannot fit it here.
Okay.
It is initially it is san, tanada, tasal, but at end there is ya maksura. If we fit it on the normal case, so what it can be?
Tanadaya.
Tanadaya. So that's why it is not there. So we have to set it in. So we have to make it special case. Tanada. Tanada means?
Tanada means to call. They call each other.
Is it they?
He called each other.
He called each other. Yeah. And tawasa?
Tawafa. He advised each other.
How we can fit here? Tawasa, yeah. What will be the mudare?
Tawasa is tawasin or tawasi.
No, this is mudare. I am talking about mudare. Tanada,
Mudare,
yatanada,
okay, sorry.
tanadin.
Yatawasa.
Yatawasa and masdar is?
Tawasin or tawasiyun.
Yes. And what about ta'ala? Fit it here.
Ta'ala is ta'ala, yata'ala or ta'alin or ta'aliyun.
Yeah. Ta'ala means?
Ta'ala means he was exalted.
Yeah, he was high, he was exalted.
He was.
Thank you, Ashar bhai. Jazakallah. So, Safi. Safi Naveed. Safi Naveed. Safi, welcome back.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Safi, I forgot the Safi.
Okay, go ahead.
Safi, where we are, on which level we are? Level?
We are repeating 4, 5, and 6.
Yeah, this is level 3 actually.
Yeah,
Level 3.
Started from level 1, 2, and then this is 3. Can you please just name the chapters of the level 3? First is?
Bab Tafa'alu.
No, first chapter we revised initial today. Bab Tafa'il.
Tafa'il.
Allama yu'allimu ta'aleem.
Ta'aleem.
Ta'aleem, yeah. Second is? Jahada yujahidu mujahada. Bab Mufa'ala. And then we have third chapter. And what is that? You remember? Anzala.
Inzal.
Inzal. And this is Bab Ifa'al. So Bab Tafa'il, Bab Mufa'ala, Bab Ifa'al. And now we are doing today revision for Bab Tafa'ul, Tafa'ul, Infi'al.
Okay.
So Bab Tafa'ul, what is the normal pattern?
Tafa'ul is
Tafa'ul. This is Tafa'ul.
tafa'ul.
Yeah.
Uh,
Tawakkala.
huh?
What is the normal word? Tawakkala, yatawakkalu, tawakkul.
Tawakkul.
So this is, and what is the special case?
Tawalla, yatawalla, tawallin.
Or tawalliyun.
Or
If in case of tawalla, I put tazakka. How you can say tazakka?
Tazakka, yatazakka, tazakkin, or tazakkiyun.
Tazakkiyun. Similarly, come here in Bab Tafa'ul. Bab Tafa'ul. What is the normal case? Tasa'ala.
Tasa'ala, yatasa'alu,
Ul. What is Tasa'ala means?
asking each other.
Yeah, he asked me. And what about he asked? This is about he asked each other. And
As'ala,
if it is he asked,
yas'alu,
Sa'ala.
sa'ala.
Sa'ala. This is, we did it in level 2. So tasa'ala, yatasalu, tasa'ul. Can you please fit here taqabala?
Taqabala, yataqabalu, taqabul.
And ta'awana?
Ta'awana, yata'awanu, ta'awun.
Ta'awana means?
Cooperating. He
Only
cooperates.
cooperating?
He cooperates each other.
He cooperated each other. And yata'awanu?
He will cooperate, or he is cooperating
Each other.
each other.
Yeah. And there is a special case that is tanada. He called each other. So this is tanada, yatanada, tanadin, tanadiyun. Can you please fit here ta'ala?
Ta'ala, yata'ala, ta'aliyu.
Ta'alin or ta'ali.
Ta'aliyu.
Fit here tawasa.
Tawasa, yatawasa, tawasin, or tawasiyu.
Yeah. So Shafi, you have to revise this level 3, okay? So there are, okay?
Okay.
So next we have Bab in Fi'al. So Naveed bhai? Yeah. Next we have Bab in Fi'al. First Tafa'ul, Tafa'ul. Now we are going to in Fi'al. What is the man?
Inqalaba.
Inqalaba, say Inqalaba.
Inqalaba.
Yanqalibu.
Yanqalibu inqilab.
Inqilab. How we will recognize this? Like we discuss here about tawakkala, tasa'ala. Now we are discussing about inqalaba. How we will recognize? If you see other example, inqalaba, in fajara, in fatara, in sarafa, in kadara. Is there any common thing or something we can say, oh yes, it is on Bab in Fi'al, and yes, we will fit it there?
So it starts with the alif maksura and known is sakin.
Yeah, it is Hamza actually.
Yeah, Hamza.
It is Hamza. Hamza and then Noon.
Yeah.
Noon sakin. If you see in, Noon sakin, in fajara, in fatara, in sarafa, in kadara. Yeah, it is, in is, did you see in is common everywhere?
Yeah.
Yeah, and also this level 3 is, we shall discuss last time that this is fail thalathi mazid fihi, more than 3 words. And the common thing is in Hamza with kasra and Noon is saqin. Okay, can you please do the inqalaba?
Inqalaba, inqalabu, inqalabta, inqalabtum, inqalabta, inqalabtu, inqalabna.
Yeah.
Yanqalibu, yanqalibu, yanqalibuna, tanqalibu, tanqalibuna, anqalibu, nanqalibu. Inqalab.
Inqalib. If you see mudare, yanqalib, so this will be inqalib.
Inqalib, la tanqalib. Inqalibu, la tanqalibu.
Munqalib.
Munkalib, munkalibuna, munkaliblina.
Yeah, it has no maf'ul actually.
Ah, okay.
And then masdar is
Inkilab.
inqilab. So infajara means he gushed out.
He gushed out.
Okay. Infatara. Can you please fit here in the just small infajara?
Infajara, yanfajiru, infijar.
Okay. What will be the amar for this infajara?
Infijr.
In
Fajr.
Infajr.
Jir.
Next, I could not hear it. This will be
Infajr.
Infajr.
Yeah.
Because this is yanfajir, so infajir.
Yeah.
Infatara. Set it here.
Infitar, yanfatiru,
Infatara.
infitar.
Complete say it. Infatara.
Infatara, yanfatiru, infitar.
And what will be the amar?
Infatir.
Infatir. Infatara means he was torn apart.
Torn apart.
Yeah.
He was torn.
Next is insarafa. How will you will fit here?
Insarafa, yansarifu, insiraf.
Yeah. Insarafa means he turned away.
He turned away.
Yeah. So thank you, Naveed bhai. Jazakallah. Yeah. Next is special case of bab infi'al. It is inshaqqa, yanshaqqu, inshiqaq. Inshaqqa means he was split. Inshiqaq, amla inshiqaq. Yeah, it is fission reaction. Inshaqqa, yanshaqqu, inshiqaq. So, brother Rashid from Saudi Arabia. Walaikum assalam. Rashid bhai, this is bab infi'al. The normal pattern is inqalaba, yanqalibu, inqilab. So we have next one is inshaqqa, yanshaqqu, inshiqaq. So as Naveed bhai told us that we can recognize this chapter as normally it will start with in. Damn special is also in, but there is why we say it's special case of this. Why we cannot fit it in qalaba?
Qalaba, no, I don't know.
If we fit this in shakka in this in qalaba, how we can say it?
In shakka, in shakku.
No, just I am saying that we did it like this is a special case. If I fit it in qalaba, so what we say it exactly? In shakka. In shakaka. In shakaka. In fadada.
In shakaka.
Yeah, but that's why there is shadda, double, so it cannot be fit in the normal case. So we have to make it a special case. That is special case bab infi'al. Okay? If you can see here, in shaqqa, in fadda, in qadda, in fakka. So there is, it starts with in, but the last letter is doubled. And it cannot be fit there in the normal case. So, okay, can you please do it?
Which one?
TPI, complete TPI, in shakka.
In shakka, in shakku, in shakta, in shaktu, in shakakta, in shakaktu, tum, in shaktu, in shakakna, yan shakku, yan shakkuna, shakku, tan shakkuna, anshakku, nanshakku. In shak.
There is two kaf. We are missing one kaf. So it can be
shakak.
In shakik.
In shakik. In shakuku.
In shakik. La tan shakik.
La tan shaku.
La tan shakik.
La tan shakik.
Okay, and what is the plural?
In shakakku.
No, it will be in shakku.
In shakku, la tan shakku.
Again, Faili Amar, start with again, please. In shakku.
In shakku. In shakik.
Yeah.
La
tan shakik.
In shakku.
In shakku, la tan shakku.
La tan shakku. In shak.
Mun shakkun.
Shakuna. In shakina.
No, file is mun shakku.
In
Munshakun, munshakkuna, munshakkina.
Munshakkun, munshakkuna, munshakina.
And there is no maf'ul.
And inshiqaq.
Inshiqaq.
Yeah, it's a very different
There is,
from the other one.
yeah. If we fit here in fadda,
In fadda, yanfa, in fidad.
infidad. And what is the amr for infadda?
Infidad.
No,
Infidad.
singular amr.
Uh,
For
in
inshaqqa, it was inshaqiq.
in shakik. So in
Infadda, infadid.
infadid.
And plural will be infaddu.
Infaddu.
Yeah, infadda means he was broken.
He was broken.
Similarly, inqadda means he was
In
collapsed.
he was collapsed.
He fell down. Infakka, he was separated.
Separated in Kitab and separated.
Disengaged. Yeah.
He separated.
So this is Babta. Thank you, Rashid bhai. So
Okay.
overall, we discussed today, we revised these three chapters. Bab Tafa'ul, Bab Tafa'ul, Bab Infi'al. As we discussed, Tafa'ul is Tawakkala, Yatawakkalu, Tawakkul. And it starts with Ta. And the third letter is Shadda. And the special case is Tawalla, Yatawalla, Tawallin. And it cannot be fit here. Similarly, next is Tafa'ul. So Tasa'ala, it starts with Ta, but there is third letter is Alif. Tasa'ala, Yatasa'alu, Tasa'ul. Special case is Tanada. There is Ya Maksura. Yatanada, Tanadin, Tanadiyun. Then we have Bab Infi'al. Inqalaba. It starts with In. Inqalaba, Yanqalibu, Inqilab. And special case is Inshaqqa, Yanshaqu, Inshiqaq. The best way to understand, because most of the examples are given, we can say that all similar words. Tawakkala, Ta'allama, Tadhakkara. Tasala, Tabaraka, Takathara, Taqabala. Inqalaba is Infajara, Infatara, Insarafa, and so on. Thank you, Dr.
Thank you, Brother Akhtar. Thank you, Jazakallah khairan. So I think, is there any questions? Otherwise we can.
I have one question. Special case of tafa'ul and tafa'ul does not fall at mastar, huh? Special case.
Does not fall at mastar?
Masdar, mean tanadin.
Oh yeah, there is one.
Yeah, tafa'ul, he's saying that tawakkala is tawakkul. It is fitting on name, but in special
this one
case,
is okay.
in special case, it is not like that.
Yeah, the masdar is changed.
And we did not see, there is no masdar rule normally in many chapters.
Yeah.
Here we have in level 3 tafa'ul, tasa'ul, and infi'al. But in special case, there is nothing like that.
Okay, thank you. Let's move on to our next session, next part.